In the forest, strength doesn't always belong to the biggest animal. Some build together. Some defend together. Others move in numbers so great, even predators think twice. And for the most coordinated of them, the entire pack becomes a weapon. Here, survival belongs to those that stand together. BEAVER, the forest engineers. A tree begins to form. At its base, a beaver keeps cutting. Its powerful front teeth carve deeper into the trunk until the tree finally crashes to the ground. But this isn't just about food. The branches are dragged toward the water, where other members of the family are already working. Beavers live in family groups, and together they can build and maintain dams using branches, vegetation, stones, and mud. As the barrier grows, the current slows. Water begins to spread across the surrounding land, turning streams into ponds and wetlands. For the beavers, deeper water provides safer access to their lodge, whose entrances are often hidden below the surface. But their construction affects far more than the family. New wetlands can provide habitat for fish, amphibians, insects, birds, and many other animals. Few creatures can physically reshape their surroundings on this scale. Beavers don't rule the forest by killing. They do it by rebuilding the landscape. Banded mongoose, the family force. Across the woodland floor, a banded mongoose lowers its nose to the ground. Then another appears, and another. Soon, the entire group is moving through the vegetation, digging into soil, turning over leaves, and searching for insects and other small prey. But while some are focused on food, danger can arrive from almost anywhere. A raptor circles overhead. A predator approaches through the grass. One alarm call, and the whole group reacts.
Banded mongoose.
Banded mongooses are highly social mammals, living, traveling, and foraging together in groups. And that cooperation becomes even more important when pups are involved. Young mongooses don't face the world alone. Adults other than their parents can help care for them, and individuals may escort pups as they begin searching for food. When danger appears, many eyes can detect it, and many bodies can respond. For an animal this small, survival isn't built around individual strength. The family itself becomes a defense system. For the banded mongoose, the group isn't just company, it's protection. M. Bush dog, the rainforest pack. Deep in the South American rainforest, something moves beneath the vegetation. A bush dog appears, then quickly disappears between the leaves. But it isn't alone. A pack is moving through the forest. Bush dogs are small, short-legged canines, but what they lack in size, they can make up for through cooperation. They live in social groups, communicating as they move through dense habitat where visibility can disappear within meters. And when they hunt, that teamwork becomes a weapon. Rodents and other vertebrates can become prey, with several dogs joining the pursuit. They move easily through wet rainforest habitats, and water is no barrier. Bush dogs are strong swimmers with partially webbed feet that help them move through streams and rivers. Yet the pack exists beyond the hunt. They travel together, rest together, raise pups within the group. In a forest where a small predator can vanish in seconds, the bush dog's greatest advantage is simple. It rarely has to face that forest alone. Chimpanzee, the territory patrol. The forest suddenly grows quiet. A group of male chimpanzees moves across the ground, one behind another. No feeding, no playing. They stop, listen, then continue toward the edge of their territory. Chimpanzees live in communities with a fission-fusion social system, where smaller groups separate and later reunite. And among adult males, cooperation can become a powerful form of territorial defense. During border patrols, males may travel together along the boundaries of their range, moving cautiously and listening for neighboring chimpanzees. Because this forest is more than somewhere to live. It contains fruiting trees, feeding grounds, nesting sites, and resources the entire community depends on. If rival chimpanzees are detected, the encounter can escalate. Calls echo through the trees. Groups may confront one another, and inter-community aggression can sometimes become lethal. A single chimpanzee is already immensely powerful. But here, muscle isn't their greatest advantage. Information, numbers, social bonds, and coordinated action. They don't simply live in the forest. Together, they defend a piece of it as their own. African wild dog, the relentless pack. A large animal is already running. One African wild dog races behind it, then another appears from the side, and another closes in. This isn't a chase between predator and prey. The entire pack is hunting. African wild dogs don't have the size of lions or the individual power of Africa's biggest cats. Instead, they rely on speed, endurance, and cooperation. As the prey changes direction, the dogs keep coming. The distance opens, then closes again. Different pack members can join the pursuit, keeping pressure on an animal trying desperately to escape. And when the opportunity comes, several dogs can help bring the prey down. But their cooperation doesn't end with the kill. African wild dogs are intensely social. Adults return to the den, where they can regurgitate food for pups and even other members of the pack. They rest together, raise young together, and depend on one another far beyond the hunt. A single wild dog is neither Africa's largest nor its strongest predator. But that is exactly what makes this pack extraordinary. Because once the chase begins, individual strength matters less. No single dog rules the hunt. The pack does. So, which of these packs impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. But beyond these forests, the natural world is vast, filled with mysteries and countless wonders we have yet to discover. Subscribe and join Nan Beyond Earth as we continue exploring the extraordinary stories hidden across our planet. Our journey is far from over.